Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are doing any heavy lifting and you want to make moving around that furniture a lot easier. This is especially great during the holiday times or if you're just moving from a new location. So this was sent over by a company called KEDSUM, and it is a steel furniture dolly. This thing is absolutely great because I used to have another one that was plastic and it just would break and got brittle in the middle, where this is all made out of a nice powder coated metal, so you don't have to worry about rust and you don't have to worry about it getting brittle and breaking on you while you are moving, which is great. It's super, super heavy duty. So this is what it looks like when you assemble it. It is basically gonna take you no more than 10 minutes to put together. Very, very easy. You don't need any extra tools or anything like that. It includes a wrench, which is what you're gonna use to put in all the various bolts. So you're gonna notice it's gonna have a metal frame all the way around the edge, and then you're gonna have some platform frames here so that way you can lay things nice and flat, and basically it makes it easy so it's nice in balance. Now another cool thing about this is you're gonna have these little rotating end pieces, which are going to allow you to basically lift these up and make little stable sections at the end so things don't slide off the end, which is nice. However, if you have a bigger furniture, like a couch or something, and those are gonna get in the way, you just go ahead and roll them down and you're good to go. Now the wheels are very fluid, very smooth when utilizing them, and you're gonna notice two of the wheels have a nice easy to hit lock with your foot. So when you need to stop moving it, you're good to go. You can even utilize this if you have like a piece of furniture that you're just wanting to constantly be on it. You can even utilize that if you wish. So very, very easy to use. Now the overall size of this little thing is about 24 inches by 17 inches. That is the platform size, and it's about 4 3/4 inches high off the ground. As far as the weight capacity, this thing can hold 1,800 pounds max. So like I said, it is heavy duty. It can hold a lot, whether you are doing furniture, whether you're moving a ton of bags of dirt, you can even utilize it for that. You know, it's basically very, very useful around the house, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. You can slide it under a piece of furniture, underneath a workbench, or put it up on a shelf. But overall, like if you're looking for a great little furniture dolly, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.